In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contract with Pandadoc. We'll walk through the entire process from starting a new document to adding your terms, placing signature fields, assigning them to the right people, and finally sending the contract out for signing. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and feel free to pause at any point while you complete each step. First, you'll want to create a new document. In Pandadoc, look for the option labeled New or Plus New and choose Document. When the menu opens, select Select File. This is where you either upload an existing contract file, like a PDF or Word document, or choose a template you already have. Give the system a moment to process the file so it becomes editable inside Pandadoc. Once your document is open, the next step is to add your recipients. These are the people who will receive and sign the contract. Look for the recipient section, usually at the top or on the side, and add each person by entering their name and email address. Double-check spelling here, because any mistake will prevent them from receiving the document. If there are multiple parties, make sure each one is added so you can assign fields correctly later. Now, let's insert the actual contract terms or any additional text you need. On the right panel, you'll see a text block. Click and drag that text block into the editor right where you want to add your content. Once it's placed, click inside the block and start typing or paste in your contract language. You can adjust the formatting, spacing, and alignment to keep everything clear and professional. After your text is in place, it's time to add the interactive fields. From that same right panel, find the signature field and the date field. Drag the signature field to the spot where you want a recipient to sign, and drop the date field wherever you need the signing date to appear. Repeat this for every signer on the document, so each person has a dedicated place to sign and date. With the fields placed, you now need to assign them to the correct recipient. Click on each field you've added. A small floating drop-down will appear, allowing you to choose which recipient that field belongs to. Carefully select the right person for each signature and date field so Pandadoc knows who needs to sign where. When everything looks good, it's time to send the contract. Click on Review and Send. This will let you quickly scan the document one last time, then click Continue, and finally choose Send Document. Your recipients will receive an email with a link to review and sign the contract, and you'll be able to track the status directly inside Pandadoc.